Hello everyone, welcome to Driving Approach. My name is Alexei and you're watching my daily vlog. And today is Wednesday, June 8th, and I'm off to work. I made it on time yesterday to the dentist appointment for my root canal, and everything went fine. My tooth and the whole jaw and the left cheek hurted a little bit yesterday. I took some painkillers and it was much better this morning. I didn't have any pain, so that's good. I still might have some pain today and tomorrow. That makes sense. It's substantially lower than it was yesterday after the anesthetic has worn off. Wednesday, my day has started. It's 7:22, regular route. The day is still going by. It's 10:30 a.m. It's a nice bright day. It's already plus 19. It's not super humid or super hot, but it's not cold. It's like very nice weather today. I'm still working, driving from my patient to another patient, but I don't have much left. Should be about another 3-4 hours max. Just loading some chairs. Love it when the trunk is empty and you can use it.
Hi.
That's it. Load it up. Well, this is the end of this video. I hope it was fun and entertaining, and I'm off to edit and make more content for you guys. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Alexei, and this was Driving Approach.